Okay, so today I want to show you how this ice therapy machine works. It's very easy to set up. It's running right now. You probably can't hear it at all. I can't hear it, which is really nice. So it's really quiet and really portable as well. So you can see it comes with a handle. It also does come with a strap if you wanted to put that on there. And when you first get this, setting up is really easy. They actually have instructions here on this back side that walk you through everything, but I'll walk you through it as well here. When you first get it, basically it comes with this hose right here. You attach the hose part right here. It doesn't matter which end you use because they're both the same. And then you attach the other hose to this part right here. And then this is your actual pad where you're gonna put that on your knee. And then all you need to do is plug the wire in right here and then plug this into a power outlet and you are good to go. Once everything is all assembled, the next step is to fill this with ice. And what's nice is with this, see if I can get an angle at it. You can see right here, they have a line for like the max water line and the max ice line. When you put this in here, you want to put the ice in first. Make sure that you put the ice in first. Get it up to a nice spot. You of course want to put as much ice in there as you can to make it as cold as possible. And then you fill in the water. And this of course is like a cooler, so it's going to keep the water as cold as possible. And essentially when you turn this on, it will shoot that cold water up through here and then into the pad. And this thing is really chilly right now. What's nice about this pad is there is a little liner here that you can take on or off if you need to. And then it has straps to wrap around your knee, which I'll demonstrate here in just a minute. And then this does zip up, so in case for whatever reason you're like me and have kids and they accidentally knock it over or whatever, you're not going to spill water everywhere, which is really nice. And it has a nice flat surface, so it's not going to tip over by just simply bumping it or anything like that. So now let me actually show you the remote and how to put this thing on your knee. So once you have it ready and it's got the cold water running through it, this can be on your left or right knee, of course. You can do whatever one. And the way that this works is it comes with 3 of these little straps here, so you can keep it as tight or as loose as you want to. And what you want is you want the end with the tube to be facing down essentially here. So let me show you this. So if you wanted to put this on your knee, you just put this over top here. And then this part kind of comes around your thighs. And then this is where you can grab the black straps that it comes with. You can Velcro them to wherever you want to, whatever's gonna be most comfortable for you. And then you can put them right there and then make this nice and tight all the way around. So let me put this in the right spot. Get the tube right there. And then this allows me to set that up. So you basically want it resting on your knee kind of like this. And then I don't put that strap on there as much. Want that like right there. So then I can wrap this around and then it Velcros to any part of the cooling pad. So you can see that is good enough to keep it right there, but it does come with 3 more of these. So if you wanted to get it, and it cools your knee down really fast, it's really nice if you're looking for that cold therapy. And then it comes with 3 of these, so if you wanted to get them more tight, you could wrap that around there as well. And then if you wanted to really make sure it was on that knee, you could then get this one. This is kind of a larger one that you can wrap around there as well. So you have lots of different options, but does a really good job cooling down the knee. It works almost instantly, like the cooling, you can feel it come through right away. And then with this, there are there's a couple different options with the remote. So you can see this allows you to turn it off and on. And then here you can set the flow. So you can have it be high, medium, or low. You can click on this and it will adjust that there. And then you can, this is nice, like especially if you're resting like an injury or anything like that, it does have a timer. If you fell asleep or whatever and you wanted it to turn off, it does have a timer on. So you can click the timer on and then you can see it will turn off after 10 minutes, after 20 minutes, or after 30 minutes. For that. So you have all those different options. So a nice little ice therapy machine. The company did send me this for this review, but hopefully this gives you an idea on how this thing works and if it's going to work out for you.